Do it.
Don't.
Come on. Prove it.
That'll work.
Prove it. What the? Okay.
I am Thor, god of...
Is this what you want? Come on, strike me down, Zeus. You don't have the ball.
I swear.
No.
Hey, may Zeus himself strike me down if I'm lying. Hey, didn't strike me though.
Oh, you saw that correctly.
Bro, I just got struck by lightning. So I was sitting in here, I had my earbuds in, a big thing of lightning hit, and like my ears